Shoot him! Boom, boom. Oh no! We're hit! Oh no, run! Wait, why do you have high-tech armor? I was all geared up for Mr. Cowie's videos. What do you mean? I don't know what I mean. Do you ever know what you mean? Ouch! Now run! 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 Ha ha ha! Our plan is going perfectly. What are you gonna do to me? I'll do a lot more than that. Than torture, you know. What are you gonna... What? We'll see later today. What do you mean later today? Okay, so we know that the laser death ray can destroy things, can like dismantle things, but can it destroy things? Well, we don't know if he dismantled it for sure, or destroyed it, so we should go see their thing. You dude. Yeah, me? Yes, you. Go to the thing and see if it's still working. Got it, boss. Okay, I think we shot it upside down, so... Okay, here we go. It's good. So how do you use this thing? Oh no! The coordinates are still set to running away! Wait, this is a good thing! We'll find them! We'll track them down! We can... Oh! Okay, never mind. Let's go this way. Hey, I can control it! Guys, we didn't put it offline. Apparently, it was just like a baseball that it shot, and it hit the off switch. Good work. Oh no! That thing should have been destroyed. Oh, I gotta find a way to escape. Okay, now how do I get away? Run! Hey, did you hear that noise? It was probably nothing. I got away with it. I'm good at this. So good at this. Oh, Yellow, you're back. How did you make it past them? I just escaped. Oh. Well, you're back. I want to kiss you. Don't you dare. I already did. You're insane. No, you are. No, you are. No, you are. You have a Pinkalicious game in your hand. No, I don't. Let's just settle it this way. I'm the weirdo. Okay. That was just a joke. I don't care. I don't care, Peeve. Hey! Where did you get that from? You're back. Hey! Meanwhile... Okay, that was awesome. We got our hands on an awesome hoverboard for free. I know what you need. I know why you didn't destroy the dang thing. What? What? Power taken from Transformer to Laser Gun of Death. Oh, 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 owned, owned. Oh man, we are getting so much debt. We are getting so many good readings on this thing. Oh yes, the laser ray gun of death is working. Wait, why is there a plug in this thing? There we go. Yeah. Hey, what? No, we got away. This is bad. This is so bad. I read so highly that this is very, very bad. Now I can finally get in a body because I've been a boo since an evil force took it. Took my original body. And that was bad. So I'm gonna go in him. I finally have a body to be in. This is good. This is bad. Yeah. Now we shall turn it on. Can't reach it. I have to go out of this body. Okay, just gonna. I'm just gonna take this lever and flick it on. Charging up super laser charge. Oh no, it fell over. There we go. Should be fine now, I think. Dang it, it fell over again. This is such an unstable thing. Explosion in 3, 2, 1. Whoop. He blew off the arc. That thing just blew off the off switch. Then how are we gonna regenerate it? Jeez, I really hate this little thing. This is awesome. We shall take over the world. We shall take over the world. And that episode of Angry Birds Adventure. Or should I say Angry Beards Adventure. So anyways, we'll see you next time. Bye. Bye. Back to bed. Soon the world will be ours. Yeah, man. I'm laying on the ground with happiness. Boy, guys, I'm a laser rifle gun thing.